popsicles. So we have 2 popsicle molds, which is gonna be really fun. All right, you wanna open yours up? I'll open mine up. Oh. So look at guys, we've got these sticks and then the mold, so that way they can freeze overnight. Tomorrow morning we'll film another clip so that way you guys can see how they turned out. So we've got our juice right here. So here, can you scooch a little? Yes. Thank you. Okay, so we've got our juice. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, it's hard to open. There we go. So we got the juice.
That is a huge can.
Yes, it is. Which is why we're gonna use a cup, like, to pour it in. That way we don't make a huge mess. Yeah. I'm gonna go get the cup, guys. Okay?
Guys, we don't want the juice to spill on Vite's iPad because they'll break it.
Yes. So I've got the tiniest cup I could find. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in.
Vite's cup, so it's not my cup. Because I don't want to pee it.
So we're gonna pour yours in first. You want to fill it to the very top. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna pour the rest of that into mine. Oops, spilled a little. And then we're gonna let it freeze overnight. I've tried this juice before, guys, and it's really good. If you haven't tried it, you guys should try it too. You can get it at a local grocery store, and it is Welch's Green Grape Juice. All right, you ready to put the lids on top?
Yeah.
Be very careful so you don't spill it. There you go. Hold it for you. Perfect. Okay.
I was being so careful.
Yeah.
You ready to just spill it everywhere?
Yeah, that would be pretty bad.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to open the freezer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's bring them with us.
This is our new fridge.
Yes, so we're gonna put the popsicles with juice in there. Look at guys. Yeah. Popsicles. All right, guys, we'll continue the video tomorrow morning, and we'll tell you guys how it tastes too.
Yeah.
Woo! All right. Guys, she did not take them out, but they are ready to open. I'm gonna take out mine. Look it, guys! I've never seen a more perfect popsicle. Gentle, gentle. Very careful. Mine back. If it does, we'll let it freeze. Oh. It's so pretty. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna try it. I'll drop it. 1, 2.
Guys, you should.
They're so good.
Actually go to make these at home.
Yeah, and they're more healthy because they're made with grape juice.
Yeah.
You can use any juice that you have at home, or if you don't have any juice at home, just ask an adult to go to the grocery store and buy some juice.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Make sure to like